Doing a little hiking today, looking for some deer sheds. Glad I went walking. Got one right here. I'll walk over there, see what that is. I got my camera person coming up here. Got Chloe out with me today. This looks like a good one. Looks like last year's shed. I hadn't found a fresh shed yet. It's a good one though. I don't know how I walked by this so many times. Pass this phone off. Nice big brown tine. Last year's shed, barely chewed on. We have found three good sheds this time, all from last year. See the base on that thing. That's a good one right there. I think this year I have found my three best all-time sheds ever. This one goes right up there with it. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll see if we can get some more.